Wow, it's... This is the bigger one. This is a bit smaller. And this is the smallest.
Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too. Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi? Okay. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to play with Kinetic Sand.
Hip hip hooray!
Alright, so what do we have in here? We have, how many colors do we have in here? Let's count them. 1, say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And can you tell me the colors in here? Can you tell me the colors, Gigi? Okay, what color is this? Is it pink? This is pink, so this isn't pink. Then I think it's black. So we have black, we have yellow, we have red, and blue. Blue, that's correct. We have 4 colors, beautiful colors. And now I will try to, let me think. I want to play with it. I want to do something really nice. So, first I'm going to use the red one and I'm going to make a ball. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Ooh, this feels amazing, really, and so relaxing. Wow. Look at the texture of it. This is really cool. I've played with this before. I really like it. It feels so nice. You should try it too. Ooh. Look at that. And now, look. I want to show you something. Look. Ooh.
Wow!
So fluffy. Wow. So exciting. Okay, let's make a ball. Let's shape this into a ball. Okay. Ooh, look at that. We have a ball. Okay, I'm gonna use the red one. So just the red one. Oh, look at that. Ooh. So interesting. Okay, now I'm going to use this square. I'm going to use the leftovers in here. Okay. I'm going to press it. And more. Okay.
Wow!
Wow, it feels really cool. Now I'm going to make it even. Perfect. And now, let's see. Wow, and we have a block of kinetic sand. Look at that. Isn't this amazing? Ooh. I love this. It feels so nice. Okay, what should we do with this? So, if we would have to cut it in half, where should we start? If I want to cut this block in half, should I do it like this? No, because this isn't the halfway. Should I do it like this? No. So half of the block means right in the middle. Maybe like this? Yes. This is the middle of the block. Look at that. Ooh, so nice. Look at that. Wow! And now we have 2 halves of the block. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, now let's cut these ones in half. So we'll go in the middle, right in the... Now we have 2 blocks. And now, right in the middle. 1, 2. Right in the middle. 3, 4. What do you think? Should we make more? Yes, let's do it. Right in the middle. Wow. Slices, like cake slices. Wow. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. Look at that. Ah, I love this. Should we make some tiny slices as well? Yes, let's do this. Let's take each slice and let's slice it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we have more slices in here. Wow, I love everything about it. Now I'm going to pretend I'm chopping some onion. This is so fun. Oh, I love this. I'm cooking something. I'm chopping some onion like my mummy. This is really fun. Okay, I want to do something else. But what should I do? What should I do? What about a cake? A colorful cake? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to need all the colors. And I will use this cylinder. So we will have a colorful cake. We need layers. First layer, red. We'll put it in here. So we have a layer. I'll use this rake and my fingers just like that. We have a layer of red sand. And now I'm going to add a layer of yellow sand. I'm going to use my finger just like that. So a layer of yellow sand. Now a layer of black sand. Now a bit of blue. Again, some red. Again, yellow. Until we get to the top. Yellow. And black, and the last one. So I think that we have 2 layers from each color. And blue. Make it even. Okay, and moment of truth has arrived. Let's see. Wow.
Perfect!
Wow, look at this block or cake. A cake with beautiful layers. Look at that. I love it. Wow. What if we slice this up? Let's see. It feels so cool. Look at that. Wow. One slice. 2 slices. Woo. 3 and 4. Wow, I love this. Amazing. What else should we do? Let's talk sizes. Okay, I'm going to use the yellow. I'm going to make 1 bowl in here. Let's take a look at this bowl. It's really nice. I'm going to make a bigger one. Is this bigger? Slightly bigger. Let's make it much bigger. Can you see? So this is the smaller ball and this is the bigger ball. This is bigger than that. Small, big.
Wow!
Let's make a smaller one so we will have 3 different sizes. Look at that. This is the bigger one. This is a bit smaller. And this is the smallest. So this is a small ball and this is a big ball. Look at that, small and big. What if we make a really, really big one? Let's see.
Hip hip hooray!
This looks more like a rock. Look at that. Look how big this is. Look at these ones. We have 4 balls and this is the biggest one. How big and how small. That's nice. Oh, it was really, really fun, but I think that I want more colors. We only have red, yellow, black, and blue. But I think that I would like to have some purple sand as well. What should I do? What should I do? What if I mix some red sand with blue sand? Let's see what happens. We have red and blue. Let's mix them up. And let's see what happens. Ooh, wow. It's like we're kneading a dough. Now I have purple sand as well. Isn't this really, really, really cool? Wow, okay.
Wow!
Should I try to make another color too? What do you think? I think we're missing some green. How can we achieve green? Because I can see I have some yellow and a bit of blue. We're going to have some green sand as well. Look at that. Okay, I think I need just a bit less. Then that yellow, blue will turn into green like magic. This is really, really cool. Science. It's already turning green. What a beautiful green in here. I love this. It's really nice. Now we have green too. We only had 4 colors at the beginning and now we have, let's count them. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow! We only had 4 colors at the beginning and now we have 6. Okay, this is really, really fun, but I have some colorful sand in here. I think I should make a caterpillar.
Okay.
Let's make a caterpillar. Ooh! Wow, look at that! So nice! Ooh, wow!
Oh, I love it!
This is a big caterpillar, isn't it? Oh, look at this caterpillar. Needs some eyes as well. Look, he's looking at you now. Look at that. This was really cool. I love kinetic sand. You should try to do this at home too. It's really cool and it's not that messy, you know. See you next time.
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.